Now, many people argue what Land Rover Defender is the best Defender, but these arguments almost never have factored in what I've currently got sitting behind me, the Defender 2.8i, the best kept Land Rover secret. Behind me, I've got the Defender 2.8i. It is the best official Land Rover ever produced, hands down. Not only is this the fastest and smoothest Defender ever produced by Land Rover, it is the best sounding one of that as well. During the BMW and Land Rover years, a BMW chassis engineer was walking through the workshop in South Africa. He noticed a Land Rover Defender with a V8 in it, and next to it a 2.8 litre BMW M52 engine, ready to go into a BMW. This gave him an idea. After measuring the engine bay of the Defender and realising it would fit, the engineers went on to figure out how to mate a BMW straight six to the Land Rover. Once the prototype was built, everyone was blown away. The biggest complaint about Defenders from customers in South Africa was the lack of a V8 option, as its production had ended. This meant that introducing a revvy BMW straight six would completely change the character of the Defender compared to the standard diesel alternatives available at the time, making it far more enjoyable to drive. The first three Defender 2.8i's underwent extensive testing by Land Rover, and this concoction led to fantastic results, topping even the V8 in every single test. This was recognised by Land Rover, becoming an official model for sale in South Africa. This, as well as 656 other genius amalgamations of the 90 variant, were created between 1997 and 2001 in South Africa. Sadly, production ceased in 2001 before the world was fully able to appreciate the mastery of this combination. Only now are people starting to appreciate what this vehicle actually is. This particular vehicle has gone through an extremely extensive, no-holds-barred, painstaking back-to-bare metal restoration to take it to a level that is far better than what it came out of the factory as. I will let the restoration process talk for itself.
Calling in the distance, so I packed my things and ran. Didn't know what time it was, the lights were low. Oh, oh. I leaned back on my radio. Oh, oh. Some cat was laying down some rock and roll, not a soul he said. Then the loud sound it seemed to fade, came back like a slow voice on a wave of fade. That weren't no DJ, that was hazy cosmic jive. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie. Switch on the TV, we may pick him up on channel 2. Look out your window, I can see his light. If we can sparkle, he may land tonight. Don't tell your papa, or he'll get us locked up in fight. There's a starman waiting in the sky. To come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie. Starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. Starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie.
Oh yeah.
Far out, that was quite a journey. So now whenever you're having an argument about which Defender is the best Defender, you can confidently say the 2.8i.